morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. So I thought I would do a day in the life of, or what I eat in a day video. That's probably better. As well as some keto cook-alongs, because I'm going to be cooking some keto stuff today. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me as I share with you what I'm having. So I'm having 2 eggs scrambled. In the eggs, I'm having about 1/4 of a serving, probably about 1 ounce of pulled pork that we had left over. 1 slice of cheddar cheese. I'm having 3 medium-sized maybe strawberries. There's a small one in there. And then 2 tablespoons of fat-free whipping cream. And then I was about to eat, and then I remembered I didn't film that. And then I'm having a bulletproof coffee. And in my coffee, I have 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon heavy whipping cream, and then 1 tablespoon of the sugar-free Tirani's classic caramel. So that's my breakfast, and I will come back and either share with you what I'm eating for lunch or what we're cooking keto for the week. Okay, everybody, here we have a couple of things we have cooked ahead. It is 3:28, so almost 3:30. I have not eaten anything since this morning. I'm still actually working on my bulletproof coffee, although I had another cup of coffee. I kind of drink half the bulletproof coffee, and then I put just regular coffee on top of that. So that is what I am still working on. I didn't eat anything else other than what you saw this morning, my eggs and my egg omelet thing. So this I made from this Craveable Keto cookbook. This is the salted caramel nut brittle on page 302. So it didn't quite come out looking like hers, but it does have the caramelized, you can see where it has now hardened, but it has the toffee on the top. So for some reason, any type of keto caramel I keep trying is not working out exactly how it's supposed to. So I may look up another recipe and see if I can't find the caramel sauce again and try it again. Of course, this calls for erythritol, and I have stevia, so that could be the problem. But I'm going to try a caramel with stevia and see if I can get that to work. But anywho, this is what it looks like. Jackson and I tasted it. We actually did some cracked Himalayan sea salt on top. So that looks okay. And that was on page 302 in the Craveable Keto cookbook. We also did the everything bagels. We did 16 of those. And then here are my sausage balls that I did in the oven. And I made 20 of these. And then let me show you what I did with the other ones. So I had enough batter. And what I did was I just went ahead and formed them into balls. And then I flash froze them. And so I'm going to put these in Ziploc bags because they're together now. And then these will be extra ones for whenever we run out of the ones we already have. We can just throw 2 or 3 or however many of them in the oven for a quick snack. And then here is some bacon that we did. We also did the egg muffins. Of course, Jackson did these and he forgot to spray the pan, so we're going to have to work these out of here. And then for dinner, I'm going to be working on some sheet pan chicken thighs. So that's what we're doing. I still haven't eaten anything just yet. But at the moment, I'm really not hungry. What I am learning is that it has taken me about 6 weeks to really know the cues and feel full. So I'm trying to recognize, I know she see the same people every time. So I'm trying to recognize my hunger cues, and right now I'm feeling fuller longer, so I'm not eating as often, which is helpful. I did weigh this morning. Tuesday is my official weigh day, but I'm down 1 pound, from when I left for the storm, so I was able to maintain throughout those 2 weeks we were gone. And then I have lost 1 pound since we have been home. So that was, we got home Tuesday, it's Saturday, so 1 pound, I'll take it. Listen, a pound's a pound. I'm here for that life. So I'm going to work on getting my chicken done and putting that in the oven. And then hopefully by the time it's done, I'll be hungry and want to eat something. So that's where we are right now. I'm going to bag up those sausage balls that I have already prepped ahead. And we are going to keep it moving. Alana's working on school. My sister is here. My niece and nephew are here as well. Gracie's going nuts. But hey, listen, it's our life, right? So we'll see in a little bit when I decide to eat something else. If I decide to eat something else. Okay, everybody, so here is my last meal of the day. I did a sheet pan chicken. These are chicken thighs. I just seasoned them, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and I put a little bit of bacon grease. I drizzled it over the sheet pan. It's sitting on a bed of shredded, what is that? Brussels sprouts. So that's what that looks like. This is cauliflower and broccoli with bacon crumbles. And I did have a little bit of some mashed cauliflower that you don't see on here, just to finish out my meal. So this is everything that I'm eating on keto today. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time we eat keto. Bye now.